Glamping provides the best of both worlds. You may wonder exactly how glamping is different from regular camping. A lot of it boils down to the facilities that are provided. In order to understand more, let's take a look at what can be expected from a typical glamping location. Forget the struggle of setting up your own tent. A fancier tent is waiting for you, usually with comforts such as electricity. You can control the temperature. This means you can enjoy the outdoors even during your least favorite season. Never mind that old, uncomfortable sleeping bag that smells rotten. Glampers enjoy sleeping on a proper bed. Of course, nearly everyone loves cooking on a fire, so glamping usually includes a fire pit. But what about other ways of cooking, such as with a gas or wood stove? Glamping has you covered. So if you love nature but are turned off by regular camping, you may want to give glamping a try.